According to the National Electrical Code, NEC Article 320.13, b3, certain wiring methods are permitted in industrial establishments, including Type So cable. Type So cable is a flexible, oil-resistant, and moisture-resistant cable commonly used for wiring industrial equipment. Conduit, which is a rigid or flexible tube providing protection for electrical wires, is another wiring method, but not necessarily required in this situation. When Type So cable is used to connect a junction box to a machine and is secured with a kellum grip or compression connector, this wiring method is often approved by the NEC for several reasons. Firstly, Type So cable is specifically permitted for use in industrial establishments. Secondly, the cable is adequately secured to the equipment. It is important to note that specific requirements for industrial wiring may vary depending on the local electrical code. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your installation meets all applicable codes and standards. The NEC provides guidelines for safe electrical installations, and understanding these guidelines is crucial for anyone working with electrical systems. Type So cable's flexibility makes it suitable for connecting equipment that may require movement or vibration. The oil and moisture resistance further enhances its durability in industrial environments. Kellum grips and compression connectors provide strain relief and secure connections, preventing the cable from being pulled or damaged. These connectors are designed to maintain the integrity of the electrical connection and ensure safety. When installing electrical systems, it's essential to consider the specific requirements of the equipment and the environment. The NEC provides detailed information on conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, grounding, and other critical aspects of electrical installations. Proper grounding is essential for preventing electrical shock hazards and ensuring the safe operation of equipment. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, protect electrical circuits from excessive current flow, which can cause overheating and fires. Conductor sizing must be adequate to carry the intended load without overheating. The NEC also specifies requirements for the installation of wiring in different types of locations, such as wet, damp, or hazardous locations. Hazardous locations, such as those where flammable gases or vapors are present, require special wiring methods and equipment to prevent explosions or fires. In addition to the NEC, local electrical codes may have additional requirements that must be followed. These local codes may be more stringent than the NEC in some areas. It is essential to be familiar with the local electrical codes in your area to ensure compliance. When working with electrical systems, it's crucial to follow safe work practices. Always to energize circuits before working on them, and use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses. Never work on electrical systems when you are tired or distracted. If you are not qualified to work on electrical systems, hire a qualified electrician to do the work. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's essential to take the necessary precautions to prevent accidents. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems are essential for ensuring their safe and reliable operation. Inspections can identify potential problems before they become serious hazards. Maintenance can help to extend the life of electrical equipment and prevent costly repairs. When performing electrical work, it's important to use the correct tools and equipment. Use insulated tools to prevent electrical shock hazards. Use a voltage tester to verify that circuits are energized before working on them. Use appropriate connectors and fittings to ensure secure and reliable connections. The NEC provides detailed information on the selection and use of electrical tools and equipment. Proper documentation of electrical installations is essential for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Keep accurate records of wiring diagrams, equipment specifications, and inspection reports. This documentation can be invaluable when diagnosing problems or making modifications to the electrical system. The NEC provides guidelines for electrical documentation. Continuing education is essential for staying up to date on the latest electrical codes and technologies. Attend training courses and seminars to learn about new products and techniques. Read industry publications to stay informed about changes in the electrical industry. Continuing education can help you to improve your skills and knowledge, and it can also help you to maintain your professional certifications. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it's important to stay current with the latest edition. The NEC is a comprehensive document that covers a wide range of electrical topics. It's essential to have a good understanding of the NEC to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. If you have any questions about the NEC, consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. They can provide you with expert guidance on the interpretation and application of the NEC. Electrical safety is paramount. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. Follow safe work practices, use appropriate personal protective equipment, and consult with qualified professionals when needed. By following these guidelines, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and ensure the safe operation of electrical systems. The use of tight sew cable in industrial settings, when properly installed and secured, aligns with the NEC guidelines, contributing to a safe and efficient electrical system. The properties of tight sew cable, such as its flexibility and resistance to oil and moisture, make it the suitable choice for industrial applications. The selection of appropriate connectors, like kellum grips or compression connectors, ensures secure and reliable connections. Always remember to consult local electrical codes and qualified electricians to guarantee compliance with specific requirements in your area. Understanding and adhering to electrical codes is essential for maintaining safe and reliable electrical systems in any industrial facility. This includes proper conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, grounding, and wiring methods. Regular inspections and maintenance can further enhance the safety and longevity of these systems.